Are you looking to connect your phone to your TV for a bigger and better viewing experience? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you several methods to connect your phone to a TV. The first method: HDMI cable. If your TV and phone both have HDMI ports, you can connect them using an HDMI cable. Most modern smartphones use USB-C or micro USB ports, so you'll need an adapter cable that converts the phone's port to HDMI. Simply plug one end of the HDMI cable into the TV and the other end into the adapter/cable connected to your phone. Step 1. Check your phone's port type. Determine the type of port your phone has. Most modern smartphones use USB-C or micro USB ports. You'll need an adapter or cable that converts your phone's port to HDMI. Step 2. Acquire the necessary cables and adapters. Obtain an HDMI cable that matches the ports on your TV and the adapter/cable for your phone. You may need a USB-C to HDMI adapter or a micro USB to HDMI adapter, depending on your phone's port type. Step 3. Power off both devices before connecting the devices. Make sure both your phone and TV are powered off. This step is important to avoid potential damage during the connection process. Step 4. Connect the HDMI cable to the TV. Locate the HDMI port on your TV. It's usually labeled as HDMI and may have a number assigned to it. Plug one end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI port on your TV. Step 5. Connect the HDMI adapter/cable to your phone. Attach the HDMI adapter or cable to your phone's port. Ensure a secure connection. Step 6. Power on the TV. Switch on your TV and set it to the appropriate HDMI input. You can use your TV's remote control to navigate through the input options and select the HDMI input corresponding to the port you connected the cable to. Step 7. Power on your phone. Turn on your phone and wait for it to fully boot up. Make sure the phone is unlocked and ready to use. Step 8. Check for a successful connection. After your phone and TV are powered on, you should see the contents of your phone's screen displayed on the TV. If the connection is successful, you can proceed to use your phone on the TV as a larger display. Step 9. Adjust TV settings if necessary. Depending on your TV model, you may need to adjust some settings to optimize the display. You can explore the TV's menu options to modify the picture size, aspect ratio, or other settings to suit your preference. That's it. You have successfully connected your phone to your TV using an HDMI cable. Now you can enjoy your favorite content on the big screen. C-Send method. Wireless screen mirroring. Many smart TVs and smartphones support wireless screen mirroring. Feature allows you to mirror your phone's display on the TV without using cables. Both devices should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your phone, look for the screen mirroring or casting option in the settings menu and follow the instructions to connect to your TV. Step 1. Ensure TV and phone compatibility. Check if both your TV and phone support wireless screen mirroring. Most modern smart TVs and smartphones have this feature, but it's always good to double-check your device's specifications or user manual. Step 2. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network. Make sure your TV and phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential for them to communicate and establish a wireless connection. Step 3. Enable screen mirroring on your TV using your TV's remote control. Navigate to the settings menu or options. Look for the Screen Mirroring, Miracast, Cast, or Similar option. Select it and enable screen mirroring on your TV. Step 4. Enable screen mirroring on your phone. Unlock your phone and access the settings menu for the screen mirroring, cast, smart view, or similar option. To open the screen mirroring settings. Step 5. Scan for available devices on your phone. Tap the Scan, Search, or Refresh button to scan for available devices. Your TV should appear in the list of available devices. Step 6. Select your TV from the list of available devices. Tap on your TV's name or model number to establish a connection. Your phone will attempt to connect to the TV. Step 7. Accept the connection on your TV. A prompt may appear on your TV asking for permission to connect with your phone. Use your TV's remote control to accept the connection and authorize the pairing process. Step 8. Wait for the connection to establish. Your phone will now establish a connection with the TV. This process may take a few seconds. Once connected, your phone's screen will be mirrored on the TV. Step 9. Adjust settings and enjoy. You can now use your phone as usual, and the content will be displayed on the TV. Adjust the volume and other settings as needed. You can play videos, browse photos, or use any app, and the content will be mirrored on the TV in real time. That's it. You have successfully connected your phone to your TV using wireless screen mirroring. Now you can enjoy your phone's content on the big screen without the need for cables. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Until next time.